the title is Am I Just a Body? ये एक आप कह रहे थे जवाब देने के लिए, तो एक जवाब है like you will come to know किसके लिए है. Am I only a body to be touched, taken, torn apart? Am I only a body to be touched, taken, torn apart? Or am I not also a heart with dreams, a soul that bleeds, a mind that screams in the dark? Is it just my lips they seem to be locked without asking why? Is it just my breast to claim or the place for their thrust, never caring if I shy or cry? Do they ever see my eyes, my silences, my fear, or the way my soul lifts my skin and floats far away just to survive being there? I do not want this. I do not enjoy this. I do not feel love. I feel nothing and everything all at once. I feel guilt for wanting love. I feel shame for seeking touch. And when I ask for more, it was not desire. It was a desperate fire that says, if not love, then let pain hold me tight. At least pain doesn't lie. My body, it doesn't know how to retire. It only knows how to fight for something it never got, care, respect, warmth. A yes that they themselves assumed, a no that even after I said ignored. Inside me is a war, my heart surviving the broken trust, my mind dealing with the triggered trauma and screaming, stop. Suddenly I start feeling mute and deaf. It took me time to feeling alive again. And people ask, why didn't you took some steps? Why didn't you slap then and there? When it started, the silence after is louder than my cries. They sleep perhaps peacefully and I weep without tears. They moves on, I stay haunted. They feel whole, I feel broken. Am I abnormal? Or is the world too used to treating pain as a woman's burden and silence as her shame? But hear me now, I'm not just a body. I'm a fire, I'm a voice. I'm the storm that survived. I'm rising from this silence, not with shame, but with strength. You cannot shrink me to the parts you touched, because I'm not yours to break, I'm mine to repeat. I will rise not in spite of what you did, but because of it, because every scar on my soul is a map to my power. Every tear I didn't cry is a scream I'm now ready to shout. And every time I was broken, I built myself back louder. So no, I'm not just a body. I'm a revolution in skin. I'm a woman reborn. And I will never be silent, perhaps with my eyes, but not with words, but not with words. Thank you so much. It took me a lot of courage to perform this. The second one is Dear Mr. Right. Now hope I hope you find no. Dear Mr. Right. Dear Mr. Right, where are you hiding? In this world so high, in this world so wide. I'm here confiding, my fears and hopes collide. Afraid you will pass by, or that I will overdo, and miss the love that fate once undertook. Dear Mr. Right, my heart's one thin, from batters spouting vain, against Mr. Wrong's grin, again and yet again. Will I know your face when you finally appear? Or will I miss the grace that's always been here? Will you, Mr. Right, accept me as I am? Complicated, tired, emotional, a bit of a jam, messy, silly, sad at times too, yet hoping and dreaming, always for my dreams and for someone like you. Come to me, run to me, before doubt prevails, before fear sets in. I'm ready to fight, but scared to lose. Not just you, but the me I choose. Dear Mr. Right, I long to be your light, to end this endless dance, with regret and circumstance. But how will I find you? In a crowd so dense, in a sea of voices, all making no sense. I fear I'm lost, wandering astray, tracing old paths in the same old way. Afraid of the dark, yet more of the known, of choosing Mr. Wrong and being alone. Come to me, run to me, before my heart's too tired, before all my hopes expired. I'm here, I'm waiting, but I can't wait long. Before I settle for less and choose Mr. Wrong, dear Mr. Right, find me soon, before I lose my sight in the pale of the moon. Before I settle for less and let you slip away, before I choose Mr. Wrong, before I choose Mr. Wrong. Thank you.
क्या बात है, हम देख रहे थे खालिद गूगल ट्रांसलेट लेके बैठे हुए थे खैर। तो
मेरी याद आती है क्या रातों को जगा